How to use your blog posts as landing pages. Yes, you heard that right. Your blog posts are not just a platform to share insights and information, but also can be transformed into powerful landing pages. Let's delve deeper. So what exactly is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page created specifically to market or advertise a product or service. It's where a visitor lands after clicking on a link in an email or ads from YouTube, Google, Bing, or similar places on the web. Now imagine using your blog post, a treasure trove of information, as a landing page. Quite an innovative approach, isn't it? This strategy not only streamlines your marketing efforts, but also creates a synergistic effect between content marketing and lead generation. By utilizing blog posts as landing pages, you can offer your audience a rich repository of information while guiding them smoothly towards a call to action, be it downloading an ebook, signing for a webinar, or making a purchase. Let's move on to understanding the vital components that can turn a blog post into an effective landing page. You see, it's a fine blend of strategic structure and engaging content that creates a successful blog-based landing page. Before we jump in, it's essential to understand what makes a landing page effective. Firstly, it should have a clear and compelling headline that grabs attention immediately. The landing page should be designed to keep the user engaged with visually appealing content such as images, infographics, or even videos. Adding elements like testimonials or case studies can build trust and credibility. Remember, the ultimate goal is to guide the visitor through a clear call to action, which prompts them to take a specific action, be it making a purchase, signing up, or other desirable action. Now, how do we bring these elements into a blog post? Well, it's simpler than you think. Begin with a catchy headline that clearly indicates the value the reader will gain from the post. Your introduction should be engaging, offering a promise of the valuable content that lies ahead. Now, let's not forget to incorporate relevant keywords naturally, ensuring your blog post not only serves as a landing page, but also ranks well on search engines, attracting organic traffic. Add visually appealing content like images or even videos to break the monotonous text and keep the user engaged. And here's a tip for our budding designers. Align the visual elements with your brand's theme to create a cohesive look. Now, onto the grand finale. Integrate a clear and compelling call to action within the blog post. This CTA should guide your users smoothly to the next step, maybe signing up for your newsletter, downloading a lead magnet, or trying out your product. And voila, your blog post is now equipped to function as a powerful landing page. So as you see, converting a blog post into a landing page doesn't need a complete overhaul. It's about tweaking and incorporating elements that can guide the reader in a journey from being a visitor to a potential lead or a customer. Keep these basics in mind and you'll be well on your way to creating blog posts that are not just informative, but also high converting landing pages. In order to turn a blog post into a landing page, you should first figure out which blog post to use. I would suggest using Google Search Console. Inside Google Search Console, head over to Search Results and choose 6 months. And then find the blog post in the Pages tab. So for example, here I have a blog post landing page size guide. If I open it, this is the blog post. And in here, what we've done is we've added a call to action towards the middle of the blog post, which says need guidance with the right dimensions. And when I click on it, it then goes over to our contact us page. So we use a tool called ConvertBox, which helps us build these call to action banners. You can use some other tools as well. There's plentiful, but the idea is to have a call to action, which would direct people from your blog post to your contact us page. Here's another example of a lead magnet, which we have in one of our blog posts. As you can see here, this is a lead magnet which allows people to download a checklist, and we capture name, email, and their business type and also their role. So the idea is, again, you can build this form with your, let's say, email newsletter platform or a marketing automation platform. We use ActiveCampaign, and within ActiveCampaign, there's a feature to build forms, and we've directly embedded an ActiveCampaign form in here. So once somebody downloads the checklist, they would go into our marketing automation platform, and we will then nurture them by sending a few more emails. As we draw to a close on today's discussion about transforming blog posts into landing pages, I would like to share a resource that might be of help. I've created a simple yet effective Google Sheet that can assist you in organizing and cataloging your blog posts. It is designed to help you keep track of the various CTAs and understand at which stage of the funnel each post is most effective, whether it's at the top of the funnel or middle of the funnel or bottom of the funnel. If you want to learn more about the buyer's journey, check out my other video, which I'll link in the description. This tool aims to streamline your process, helping you align your content more strategically with your marketing goals. It's a straightforward way to start implementing the strategies we discussed today, especially for those who are in the initial stages of venturing into the digital marketing space. You can find this Google Sheet in the description below. It's a complimentary resource, and I hope it assists you in planning and executing your strategies more effectively. I invite you to try it out and perhaps share your feedback or experiences in the comment section below. I'm always here to discuss and explore new perspectives. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your time and engagement. If you find this content useful, feel free to like and share it with others who might benefit from it. I'm Waseem Bashir, and I wish you success in all your marketing endeavors. Stay tuned for more discussions and insights. Until next time, take care.